Welcome students. Today we are going to go to the third session of our excretion unit. Yesterday we started with the human excretory system, which consists of, do you remember children? A pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. This is our excretory system. So when we come in the first part, what is there? A pair of kidneys. That means what is the number of kidneys in our body? 2. So that means we are going to first study about the organ named kidney. You all heard about kidney, isn't it? So do you know where is kidney? First we have to see where is it located. So located, we will see the location of kidney. It is located in the abdominal cavity. Now, this is your abdominal cavity. It is located in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. Dorsal means back. So, don't imagine kidney is here. It is at the back, attached to the dorsal body wall on either side of backbone. Now, tell me, where is your backbone? See, this is your backbone. So it is on the either side of the backbone. So did you understand the location of kidney? In which cavity? Abdominal cavity. Which side? Dorsal side, back side. On either side of our backbone. So this is the location. You have to write all this in which characters. We are going to see both types. That is, in kidney we are going to see first the external characters. Then we will move to the internal characters or internal structure of kidney. So we are in which structure now? External structure of kidney. How does a kidney look externally? So in that first you have to tell the location of kidney. Did you understand the location? So here we have a model on kidney. So this is not external structure, this is internal structure. So we will just see the shape of this kidney. Kidney is in which shape? You have, I think you know some pulses named Rajma, or it is called as kidney beans. So why we call that Rajma as kidney beans? Because it is in the shape of that bean. So now tell me, kidneys are in which shape? Bean shape. So kidneys are in bean shape. When you go to the color of this kidney, it is reddish brown. Kidney color, tell me, reddish brown. So see the second external character, reddish brown in color. Now, how many kidneys we have? A pair of kidneys. A pair of kidneys, that means a kidney on the right side and a kidney on the left side. So here there is slight difference in this location of this kidney. Right kidney is placed slightly lower than left kidney. That means your right kidney is a bit lower, only slightly, don't think it's very low, slightly lower than the left kidney. Now when I say something, there may be some reason behind that. So just guess what may be the reason why the right side kidney is little lower than the left kidney. So any guesses? Because we have very proximal location of our liver. You remember liver, isn't it? Liver secretes bile. So because of the location of the bile very close to the right kidney, it is slightly lower than left kidney. So all got some characters, external characters of kidney. See, you have to pay very much attention to what is being told, so that you will remember it so well that in the examination you can write it by yourself, all the external characters. So external characters is clear, location, size, shape, color. Now we will go to the size. Let us see the size of this kidney. Size of our human kidney is 10 centimeter in length. So when I say length, this is the length. Top to bottom, length. How much is the length of our breadth 5 to 6 centimeter and the thickness of kidney is 4 centimeter. So these are all the external features of kidney. So we have the model here, model of kidney. When we go to the internal structure of kidney, we will see little more detailed structure of kidney. Now again one more point is missing. When we look at the kidney, once again I will bring the model here. When we look at the kidney, just there are two surfaces. This is our outer side and this is our inner side. So if I draw it on the board, it looks like this. This is outer side and this is our inner side. When you look at this outer side, do you remember anything from physics? Look at this outer side. Which type of lens is it? This shape lens. Convex. So this is convex. Outer side is convex. And when we go to the inner side, which type of mirror or lens is it? Concave. So kidney on outer side it is convex, inner side it is concave. So these are all characters you must remember for external features of kidney. So did you all get the point to remember about kidney? So now remember children, today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So you are very much free tomorrow. So work to be done will be given today, so that your notes also will be up to date. So today I will give you a list. Already I gave you 3 questions. So Monday I will see what you have written in your notebook. So children, take it very seriously. This online class is very important. Not only hearing it, not only listening it, understand it. Then write it in your notes. You all know the method how to write in your notes. In your biology notes, you should start with the difficult words. Then some few questions I will allot to you. Some diagrams will be there. So see that you follow the format of writing the notes. Apart from that, the best friend of yours is your textbook. So textbook reading very important. As and when we go forward with the lesson, see that you read the lesson. So now today's topic, external features of kidney. Did you all understand the external features of kidney? So this is the, always remember, if you keep in mind the key points. Because for any lock there is a key. Same way for any question, there are some key points. If you keep in mind the key points, you can open any lock or you can write any question. So keep that in mind and then do your work. So next we will go to the, so in textbook page number 78, already this diagram I told you to draw in your notes, excretory system. Hope you have done your work, because time and tide wait for none. See that you do your work in time. Otherwise it will become a big work for you, big job for you, if you keep your work pending. So here location of kidney is given. Location, do you remember? Which side? Back side. In which cavity? Abdominal cavity. In between our dash bone, backbone. Now if we go to the internal structure of kidney. Now internal structure. When I say internal structure, we have to do the dissection. You have to cut the kidney. When I say cut the kidney, not in this direction, in this. So when you go in this direction, that section is called as LS or longitudinal section. LS. So in detail we are going to study LS. If you go in this direction, it is not LS but it is TS. Like you studied in leaf. TS of leaf, transverse section of leaf. But in kidney it is not TS, it is LS. So when you go for the structure of kidney, for that first you have to remember kidneys are made up of some units. Like you remember lungs, alveoli. Same way, kidneys are made up of something called as nephrons. Don't say neurons. Nephrons. So these nephrons, we have one more name, uriniferous tubules. So in each kidney is made up of nearly 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons. Not one, not two, not hundreds, not thousands. 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons. So now if I ask you, kidney is an excretory organ we say. But which is that unit, that functional unit which brings about this production of urine and all this process? That is our nephron. So that means, so these nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. That means kidney is a larger structure. That kidney is made up of so many number of, that is, what is the number? 1.3 to 1.8 millions of nephrons. And these nephrons are the units which carries out the main function of our kidney. That means purification. Purification of the blood so that we can remove the waste from our body. That main process is done in kidney. Now in kidney, which is that unit? Nephrons. Remember the other name for nephrons? Uriniferous tubules. So any competitive exams also such units are being asked. So you remember it not only for a short term, long term preparation also you can do. You learn these small bits so that you will be well prepared for any competitive exams. So we will see now structure of kidney. External or internal now? We will go to the internal structure of kidney. So when you see the structure of kidney, remember each kidney is made up of two zones. Two zones. Can you see here one orange zone and here one yellow zone? That means each kidney has two zones. Outer one is called as cortex. The inner is called as medulla. So that means internally each kidney consists of outer cortex, inner medulla. And here what flower shaped some things you see, no, they are nothing but they are calyces. Calyces, C-A-L-Y-C-E-S. So internally each kidney is made up of or consists of two zones. Outer cortex, inner medulla, and so many calyces are arranged. So now the work to be done on Monday. So day wise we started with the unit excretion. So in excretion I told you few questions. Once again I will repeat. Definition of excretion. Then different waste products secreted in our body. Next, fourth one, why are nephrons called as the functional and structural units of kidneys? Then, already this diagram you have started, isn't it? Excretory system. Now you have to start with the internal structure of kidney. So these are the few things, 2 diagrams and 4 questions. So see that you write it in your notes. Thank you till we meet again.